everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby Patchouli and I talk about curls. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a two-part video. First part is gonna be a quick towel styling hair routine. I will be using a towel to style my hair, and then the second part of the video, I will be taking you along my shopping journey for finding new curly hair styling products. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look with this new method of styling my hair. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I post every week. So first things first, since we're not styling right outside of the shower, I have to re-wet my hair. I do, however, already have a little bit of leave-in conditioner from last night. If you are going to do this, I recommend when you're done showering your hair, definitely put some leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair, especially if you have like high porosity hair or frizzy prone hair. Now I'm gonna wet my hair with my leave-in conditioner and my water concoction. When it comes to this curly hair routine, I will be applying all of my products upside down, and then I will be wrapping my hair in my towel. So now that my hair has the leave-in conditioner, now comes the styling cream. Today I'm gonna be using Not Your Mother's styling cream. It is the Curl Talk Defining Cream. I picked this styling cream because it has protein in here, and my leave-in conditioner is very moisturizing. My balance between protein and moisture. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, this much, and I'm gonna apply it upside down. I'm gonna start on the ends. From my crown, I am styling downward, right? But for the sides here, I'm styling like this, to the side. Now I'm gonna apply the mousse, and I'm gonna scrunch. And then I'm gonna turn to the side and scrunch some more. Turn to the other side and scrunch. So now we are done applying our styling products. Now this is the important part, the towel. So now I'm gonna wrap my hair in my microfiber towel for about 10 minutes. So turn your head over and wrap. Twist it and then turn it back. It's been 10 minutes and we're gonna see what we're working with. Thing about this routine, when it comes to the towel, the whole point of using the towel is one, so that it can absorb the excess water that might be in your hair, and two, twisting the towel somehow curls your curls very nice. And now I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit and then pass the blower on it. So another 10 minutes has passed and now I'm ready to finish drying my hair with my blow dryer. I have my Dyson here. I'm not going to be using the diffuser attachment for this. This is how I've been This is how I've been drying my hair, and it's been working for me because of the type of result that I want to achieve. This technique loosens my curl a little bit. I tend to like that, and I tend to get more freedom, a little bit more volume with this technique. I've shown this in a lot of my other videos, but all I'm doing is blasting air, and that's how I'm going to be drying my hair. I'm just doing this a little bit longer than I normally have done in my other videos. This technique might not work for everybody, but you'll never know unless you try. So my hair is 100% dry. I retain more length with this routine, and that's because I didn't use the diffuser attachment. Diffusing your hair is great for curly girls. However, curls get really tight. It looks like my hair is much shorter than what it normally is. The last thing I'm gonna do is use my pick and just pick up this side a little bit so it can have more volume, so it can match this side. So these are my results. And this curly hair routine took me about 30 minutes. Now, 5 minutes I took to apply all of my styling products, and then I put the towel on and I left my hair in the towel for 10 minutes. I air dried for another 10 minutes. For the last 5 minutes, I dried with my blow dryer. That's it. It literally took 30 minutes. Let me know if you guys try this routine out and how it goes for you. And now we are gonna go to the second part of the video. So let's go. So here we are at Target and I'm about to shop for some new curly hair products. I'm very excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys exactly what I look for in a curly hair product. So if you're transitioning or starting your curly hair journey, this is the section that you want to go to whenever you're shopping for curly hair products, the multicultural hair section. So you can't go wrong with Shea Moisture. You have Shea Moisture, which is a great brand, especially when you're transitioning, and it's a very cost-effective brand as well. And then down here we have As I Am, is also a really good multicultural brand as well. So we have As I Am here too. TGIN, you cannot go wrong with this as well. Miss Jessie's. These you definitely have to try for yourself. It just depends on your hair type. It depends on your porosity, your curl type, your density. Favorite is the Coily Custard. A lot of people like the Pillow Soft Curls. These are the two that I have tried so far, and this one is really good. You'll find a lot of curly hair girls talk about Camille Rose. I have the Curl Maker. It's gel, but what I like about this is that the consistency is not thick. It's very easy to apply to the hair. This line I'm starting to really like. I have a video on their one-step curling product. It worked amazing, and I am getting the hair mask today, so I'm excited to try that. Let's see what else. This is a new product. It's not a new line. This is on Jackie's. However, this Hydrate Me is a new line, and I'm very excited because it has aloe, mint, hemp seed in some of the products. It has rosemary, so definitely you can try this section out as well. And then we have Cantu. Cantu is a great starter, like when you're starting your journey, your curly hair journey. A lot of girls like to start with Shea Moisture and Cantu. That's how I started as well. Just know that the Cantu products are very, very rich. So if your hair gets weighed down very easily, try to dilute the Cantu products with water. And of course, the Eco Styler, a lot of people love this gel. There are two other brands that I think in most stores, they're not in the multicultural section. They'll be like the aisle over, and that is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. Is definitely a great line for curly hair girls. This line has a lot of protein, so just keep that in mind. If you're gonna use this line, make sure to balance it out with moisturizing shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. And then we have the Maui Moisture line. They have so many different shampoo and conditioner combos, and it smells lovely. The only thing about this is that usually, like at Targets, it's really hard to find the deep conditioner and styling products. You're gonna have to like search online for their hair masks and their styling products, but this is a really good line. So this is by Aunt Jackie's. It is an aloe and mint recipe. Aloe is very moisturizing for the hair. Let's see, it also has Manuka honey. Let's see what type of consistency. Oh, you can't see the consistency, but it says it's a pudding, which should work for my kind of hair. So I think I might try this. Let's see. Moisture-rich remedy for helping to perfect and hydrate thirsty curl, coil, and wave patterns. It also smooths and delicately sculpts. Okay, let's see the ingredients. Water, glycerin, shea butter, has peppermint oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, which means it has protein here, and it also has moisturizing agents. So I think this is the one that I'm going to go with today. Deep conditioner, I am going to go with the rosemary mint strengthening hair mask. And then for my co-wash, I'm going to go with the coconut hibiscus curl moisture co-wash, because when it comes to curly hair, you don't want to like shampoo your hair too much. If you are using a co-wash, just make sure that your styling products do not have silicones, because your co-wash is not going to wash off the silicone on your hair. And I'm back from our little Target run. I hope that you guys got a lot of good information in this video. I did end up leaving with 3 items. I'm gonna be trying all these products out in the next video. Some things, remember, if you're gonna try the towel styling technique, when you are applying your products, apply them with your hair upside down. From the root, apply downwards, and then for the back here, apply to the sides, so that when you put your hair in the towel, it's gonna have more movement like that. Sometimes if you style all your hair towards the front like this, right? Let's say I style my hair like this, right? When I flip back, this part is not gonna be going towards this direction. It's gonna be going towards that direction and then down, and it's gonna look very wonky. So that is a very important thing to remember. What else? If you want to do this styling technique straight out of the shower, you can do that. All you have to do is, after you rinse out your conditioner or your deep conditioner, while you're in the shower, you can apply your leave-in conditioner and your styling cream, and then just add the towel, and that's how you're gonna come out of the shower. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Let me know what products you're gonna check out now that you know what products you should gear towards for transitioning or natural hair. Thank you guys so much for being with me through this entire journey. My name is Ruby Patchouli, and stay tuned for next week's video.